Jasmine loves strawberry cheesecake. It's one of her favorite tasty treats. At least once a month, she wants me to make her own cheesecake. This time around, I said, I'm going to switch things up and create her a strawberry cheesecake cookie, all from scratch. And I want to show you exactly how I did it. Coming up next. And welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you my strawberry cheesecake cookie recipe. With just a few ingredients and a little bit of time, you'll be able to enjoy this tasty treat. The ingredients that you would need are 1 cup of unsalted butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 1/2 cups of flour, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, and 3 cups of chopped frozen strawberries. To mix my ingredients together, I'll be using my KitchenAid stand mixer fixed with my paddle attachment, a large bowl, a whisk, and a spatula. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my oven to 375 degrees. We're going to start by putting our butter into our bowl. Next, we're going to add our cream cheese to our butter. Now we're going to add our granulated sugar to our butter and cream cheese. And now we're going to mix it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl. And I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm ready to add the eggs to my cookie dough batter. And what I like to do is I like to crack my eggs into a separate bowl. That way, if I have a bad egg or a shell falls into my bowl, it falls into my separate bowl and not my cookie dough. I'm going to go ahead and add this egg into my cookie batter, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it up all together. Let's mix it up. Now I'm ready to add the second egg into our cookie dough. Let's add it in. And let's mix it up. Now I'm ready to add my vanilla to my cookie dough mix. And let's mix it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. And I'm going to also make sure I get the bottom of the bowl to make sure all of these ingredients is well incorporated together. And let's mix it up. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to go ahead and dump my flour, my salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Now with my whisk, I'm going to go ahead and mix it all together. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my flour into my cookie dough mix, a little bit at a time. And let's mix it up. And now let's add a little more. Let's mix it up. Now I'm going to add the rest of the flour into the bowl. And let's mix it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. I want to make sure that all of the flour is well incorporated into my cookie dough well. And now I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm ready to take my spatula and I'm going to remove all of my cookie dough off of my paddle. Now we're ready to fold in our white chocolate chip. Now I'm ready to fold in the strawberries. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ice cream scoop and I'm going to scoop out my cookie dough onto my parchment lined baking sheet, and I'm going to spread my cookie dough out about 2 inches apart. Now, in order for my cookies not to spread in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and chill this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now that our cookies have chilled in the refrigerator, it's time to put them in the oven for 12 minutes. Now that our cookies have cooled on the baking tray for 5 minutes, I'm going to move them to my cooling rack so that they can cool down completely. Now, to take my cookies to the next level, I'm going to use my strawberry glaze and just drizzle a little bit on top of each cookie. If you want to know how to make your own strawberry glaze, then let me know in the comments below. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.